Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Bree Marie. Welcome to my channel where I like to do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, and everything in between, such as today's video, which is another Boxycharm video. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, show your girl some love. If you guys are interested in learning what products I got in June's box, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, your girl is back with another Boxycharm video. This is for June's box and the theme is Dare to Dazzle. The first item in the box is from Sunday Riley, which is $85, which is kind of pricey if you ask me, but this was my favorite item in the box. And it's called their Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Pretty much a treatment that exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance, reducing lines, wrinkles, dark spots, all that good stuff. It exfoliates dull, pore clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. Like I said, it reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration for a more clear complexion, which is totally up your girl's alley because you guys know I have a couple of dark spots and I've been incorporating this into my nighttime routine and I can definitely see that my complexion has become more bright. The next item in the box is from NARS. This is their Velvet Matte Lip Pencil and it's pretty much a matte lipstick in a pencil form. It's a long-lasting, non-drying formula enriched with vitamin E and emollients for a creamy texture that has seamless matte color for hours. And I've actually had this before. I had two different colors. It was like a red one and a more mauve shade, but this one is Dolce Vita. This is what it looks like. It's actually very pretty, and like I said, I've had these before and they really are very nice. The next item in the box is from True and Luscious, which was the most interesting. It looks like a syringe, which is kind of cool. It is their Flower Dose Lip and Eye Serum. This is for $34. And it's a serum for your lips and your eyes. It could be alone or it could be worn under makeup, which your girl did today. I did it under my eyes for a smoother application. It is infused with hyaluronic acid and botanicals, and it just helps visibly reduce fine lines and improve elasticity. I think that's how you say it, whatever. Anyways, this is the top where the serum comes out. I've used it under the eyes, which I said I enjoy. For the lips, it's kind of weird because it tastes pretty much like nothing and it's in a serum form, so it's kind of weird, but to each their own. You guys can use it for whatever. I use it for my eyes. The next item in the box is from Luna Magic Beauty. This is their Va Va Voom Pink Lash Primer. This is $25 and it's pretty much just a primer that adds volume and extra length to your mascara. This is what the applicator looks like. It's like this hot bubblegum pink, which is kind of interesting. I don't really use lash primer, but I'm assuming it dries down because nobody's gonna wear that on their eyes like with pink primer walking around all crazy. So anyways, most interesting in the box as well. And the last item is from Brow Bar by Rima. This is Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Highlighter. It's pretty much a 2-in-1 highlighter with one side a velvety cream finish and then the other one is a touch of diamonds, which is pretty much like the shimmer, and the other one is nude. And this is what the nude side looks like. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. And then this is what the shimmer looks like. And then this is what they look like right here. So pretty much it's just for your brow bone as a highlight, or you could also use it on your actual eyes. And that is it for this month's box. Let's go ahead and do some calculations for you guys, shall we? First item, Sunday Riley, is $85. This is $27 from NARS. $34, $25, and $16 for a total of $187 in this month's box, and your girl only spent $25, which I think is pretty decent. My favorite item in this month's box was Good Genes from Sunday Riley. I just love skincare and I just feel like this speaks to me and it will help be my new best friend, so this one's definitely my fave. Let me know which one was your guys' favorite down in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, give me a huge thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys do want to see me recreate any kind of look or do a product review for you guys. Please let me know down in the comments. Your girl gets lonely. Shoot me a comment. I'd love to see it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.